if you look at my site here, if you look at the front end of my site, this is what we have. And my menus are located at the top of the website like this. So if I want to have a menu, for example, if I want to have a menu like this, okay, this is another one of my sites. So if I want to have a menu like this that comes from the side of the website, I can show you how to also do that. Basically, having a menu like this looks cooler, it looks way cooler than, this, simple website. Both still works the same, but, this just kind of seems a little more fancy and technical, and it's not difficult to get, and you don't even need to have Elementor Pro to get this done. I can just tell you a very free and simple plugin that you can use to achieve this. So we'll go back to the plugin, then you search for Groovy. Now this is the plugin I will be using. I have it already on my website. It's active, but I'm not using it. I just have it, so I try to use it on this website, but it turns out I prefer to leave it this way on this particular website. So that's also one thing about web designing. You just have to go with the particular design you feel works best for your website. So I decided to leave it at this. But if you want to do this that I did here, so I use the Groovy menu. There are several other plugins like this. It's called hamburger menu. Okay, this kind of menu that we have here is called the hamburger menu. I guess the reason is because of these three lines, like the hamburger. So maybe that's why it's called the hamburger menu. So if you go to your plugin and you search for hamburger menu, you are going to see, you are going to see several plugins for such kind of menus. So we have here beside the hamburger menu, we have a storefront hamburger menu, we have the responsive menu, blah blah, animated hamburger menu, and all that. So for this website here, this is the menu that I use, the Groovy menu, which I was talking about. And then for another of my website, I used another kind of a menu. I'm trying to look for it here. Yeah, Shift Nav. I use this also for another of my website. So basically, if you have the Groovy menu and you've installed it and activated it, it's going to show up somewhere here. Yeah, it's going to show somewhere here. So all you need to do is just go to the dashboard. So at the dashboard, you click the first preset here. This is set as default. The other preset that we have are premium, so you will have to pay for that, but you can achieve a very good look with the free version. So mobile navigation menu, make sure you put this in your main menu. So there's that, and then let's go down and mobile navigation drawer, open type. This basically talks about where you want the navigation to come from. So if let me show you what I'm trying to do. Okay, let me refresh this. Just want to show you what we're trying to do. So that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So now we are back in our Elementor, and we can just simply search for Groovy. This is it. Place it here, and there's that. Click on update. Now let's preview this website. So now this is the Groovy menu here. So if I click this, all my menus are coming here. So what this means is, when it says off canvas slide from left, that means the menu is going to slide from the left side.